Without any doubt at all, iOS 18 is feature-packed and boasts a ton of exciting features. However, it's not perfect at all. Many iPhone users who recently updated to iOS 18 have complained about the rapid battery drain. If your iPhone is also faced with this annoying problem and draining a lot of battery, this guide is for you, as we have discussed several ways to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to update all apps on your iPhone. Outdated apps have the habit of eating more battery than usual. If there is a bunch of apps that haven't been updated for a while, they might be the reason behind the rapid battery consumption on your iPhone after the iOS 18 software update. To do so, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to view the list of apps that need to be updated. Now you can update all apps at once or update one app at a time depending on your convenience. Then I would recommend you to hard reset your iPhone. In terms of effectiveness, especially when dealing with persistent issues, the hard reset is one step ahead of soft reset. Therefore, I would recommend you to force reset your device. To do so, you have to press and release the volume up button, then you have to press and release the volume down button, and after that you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Then I would recommend you to turn off location services on your iPhone. Continuous location tracking drains a lot of battery, therefore make sure to use this feature smartly. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services. Now you can choose to either completely disable this feature or customize apps to use your location only when you are using them. After that, I would recommend you to disable the background app refresh on your iPhone. Background app refresh is equally responsible for fast battery consumption on iPhone. Hence, either turn it off altogether or allow only a few apps to refresh in the background. For now, I would recommend you to completely disable this power-hungry feature. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select General. After that, select Background App Refresh and then turn it off. Next up, I would recommend you to take full advantage of low power mode on your iPhone. Low power mode comes into action whenever the battery of your iPhone goes below 20%. When it is activated, background activities are automatically reduced or paused, which helps increase the battery life. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and choose Battery. Then you have to turn on the switch next to low power mode. Next up, I would recommend you to completely declutter your iPhone. It pays to clean up useless files, screenshots, and apps from time to time. Otherwise, it doesn't take long for the massive storage to get infested with too many redundant items. And when that happens, multiple issues including sluggishness, random overheating, and battery drain crops up. Therefore, I would suggest you to completely clean up your device. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select General. Then select iPhone Storage. Then have a detailed look at the storage bar at the top and also find out how much space each of the apps installed on your device has consumed. And once you have closely inspected the available and consumed storage, clean up all the unnecessary apps and items. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. Knowing the fact that software bugs are always prime suspects, go for the software update. Through frequent updates, Apple keeps eliminating bugs and enhancing the overall performance of the device. Therefore, updating the software may help you fix the battery draining problem on your iPhone. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select General. Then select Software Update and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS as usual, and that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix rapid battery drain problem on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.